Hello! Hey guys!
Hello guys!
We're a little bit tired.
Very tired.
We hiked over a mountain.
Just to clean this area.
It's a very remote area. We went looking for a long time just to find this area, and it was...
Well, it's a lot of these kind of areas.
Yeah, like a whole bunch of them apparently on the west coast. And yeah, our goal is to find them and clean them.
Yeah, clean the nature is the big plan. So we started out with cleaning on the beach. Maybe you can see it here. This is our treasure.
Trasher.
Trasher, exactly. And then now it's time to get in the water to dive and see what we find.
We'll see the condition. If it's anything like the beach, we'll have a lot to pick up. Hopefully there won't be as much.
Because it was I don't know, in the nature all of these bags is like
actually just on
mind-blowing.
These two beaches around us was 2 full bags.
Yeah, it's kind of mind-blowing.
It's all just drifting here with the currents to our Swedish west coast.
From all Europe, apparently it's come.
Yeah, we found some stuff from foreign countries.
China. What more? Russia.
Yeah, Russia. Yeah. There was a lot of driftwood, but we're not really bringing the driftwood. We just piled it up because well, it's wood.
Yeah, exactly.
It will decompose eventually.
Yeah, slowly.
We're gonna get in the water. We're a little hot.
Yeah, it's
kind of
really
woozy.
sun.
Like it's been a long day.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it again. We're done.
What? Goodbye.
Bye.
Tack.